for your resolution.
I'll start with a free health screening.
Check cholesterol, blood pressure, glucose, and BMI. January 14th from 11 to 3 in your club.
I got a personal plan to help me quit smoking.
Along with counseling and support from a Sam's Club pharmacist.
And I'm saving big.
On brands like Atkins, Ally, and the...
Driving at 1-0. Going 30. Your boy Bugs. Driving in Windsor. Palisado Ave. 6:55 p.m. This is Dad 325's car right here. It's a Scion Xa. I'm 17 years old. This is going on my channel. Driving the Stop and Shop. Coming up to a red light here. This is we're in the middle. We're in the historical district of Windsor, Connecticut. Windsor, Connecticut is the first town settled in Connecticut in 1633. The Pilgrims from England settled here in 1633. Before it was settled by Indians in Pequannock. Pequannock is a suburb of Windsor, but it's still part of Windsor. It has its own zip code, but technically it's still part of Windsor. This car right in front of here is going, the speed limit on this road is 45. I'm going 40 right now, about 40, 35 right now. And yeah, I'm going to pick up my mom from work. This has been being recorded with an iPhone 4. It's not the greatest quality, but it's somewhat like that, mate. I'll record for another 40 minutes or 40 seconds. Right here, we're on Palisado. We're going about 40 right now. This asshole in front of us is going slow as shit, though. The speed limit's 45. Alright, well, I gotta go, guys.